Sitting in easy pose and interlocking your hands behind your neck by your hairline. And inhale, twist to the left. Exhale, twist to the right. Breathing through the nose, sitting nice and tall. Heart is open, eyes are closed. Continue at a steady pace for 3 minutes. This kriya is setting a foundation for infinity. We need a really strong, stable connection with the earth before we can begin to expand and open into our more subtle realms in the higher chakras. Nearing completion, last few twists here. And inhale to center, suspend the breath. Gaze at your third eye. And exhale, release the hands. Sitting in Gyan Mudra, relax. And still sitting in easy pose, interlacing your hands behind your lower back. And begin breath of fire, alternating between sitting and yoga mudra, which is bringing your forehead to the earth. So move at a steady pace in coordination with your breath. We will go for 2 minutes. couple more times. Inhale, sitting tall, suspend your breath. Reach back with the hands. And release the hands, relax. Sitting tall, observe your breath, observe your emotions. Notice your energy. This is where things get serious. You want to place your hands behind you and inhale, come up and breath of fire, up and sitting down. Keep it going with a steady rhythm for 1.5 minutes. This exercise is increasing the strength and flexibility of your pelvic area and releases the pelvis if it is locked. Especially women. The bones aren't fused like they are in men, so there's much more opportunity for misalignment. And last one, bring it up and sit down. Whoa, relax, let it go. Breathe. Sigh it out if necessary. Coming to a standing position, arms are parallel to the earth, palms flat facing down. We're going to squat in crow pose. Inhale, standing up, and exhale, squat down 26 times. And last two. And good. Still standing, extend the arms up above your head, palms facing forward. Inhale, stretch back as far as you can, and exhale, bend forward. You can bend your knees to protect your lower back, and let's continue 26 times. Last two. And then exhale, just hang forward for a couple of breaths. Let it go, relax. And then slowly come up to standing. Take a few breaths. Remain standing, and we're going to do side stretches. So extend the arm above the head. Inhale, bend to the left, and exhale, bend to the right. We will bend to each side 26 times. Really reaching through the fingertips. You want to get a nice long side stretch in your rib cage. One more to each side, and then relax the arms. Put your hands on your waist and kick alternate legs forward. With each kick, chant Har, placing the tip of the tongue on the palate. Kick rapidly once per second for 3 minutes. You're doing great. Keep it going. We're almost done. Halfway there. Chant powerfully from the navel. Kick, kick, kick. Last few. Excellent. Relax. Preparing for meditation for the 10th gate. This is to experience your boundlessness. So sit in easy pose with your spine pulled up straight. Chin is pressed down lightly towards your chest. And place your hands in your lap, palms facing up. The right palm rests in the left, and the pads of the thumbs are touching. Now focus your eyes upward, bringing your attention and awareness to the top of your head, the crown chakra, your 10th gate. And in your mind, mentally say the mantra Har, Har, as you pull the navel point in, Then holding the navel in, press the tip of your tongue against the roof of your mouth and mentally say the word Mukande. Repeat over and over again. Concentrate deeply and immerse yourself in this meditation. Experience your boundlessness. Feel yourself expanding beyond time and space into a realm of unconditional love, total peace, and joy. Continue up to 11 minutes. You can remain in the meditation for as long as you like, all the way up to 31 minutes, or you can come resting in Shavasana and rest here for as long as feels wonderful. Sat Nam.